Imagine a stranger knows your darkest secret. Elena was kind, but she had a past. Today, that past is coming back to haunt her forever. Elena was a simple librarian. She loved helping people. One morning, she got a message. It was an old photo, a mistake from her past. The message said, "Meet me at the park, or I will show this to everyone." Elena felt cold. Her heart was beating fast. At the cafe, she met Liam. He looked very tired and very angry. Liam needed money, a lot of money. He told Elena, "Give me $5,000 or your reputation is finished." Elena looked into his eyes. She didn't see a monster. She saw a man who was lost and broken. Liam didn't care. He wanted the money. But Elena did something strange. She didn't call the police. She didn't scream. Instead, she bought him a warm meal. She took him to a shelter where she helped poor people. For 3 days, she showed him true kindness. The deadline came. Liam held his phone. His finger was on the upload button. He thought about the money, but then he remembered Elena's smile. He remembered how she treated him like a human, not a criminal. He realized money cannot buy peace. Suddenly, Liam deleted the photo. He deleted everything. He cried and said, "I am so sorry." Elena forgave him. She even helped him find a real job. Years later, Liam became a hero. He learned a big lesson. Kindness can set you free.